BMW has the M series, which is the highest variant of each of its products. But initially only in their four-wheeled products. Now the M series is also present in their motorcycle variants, because BMW Motortorad Germany yesterday launched the BMW M1000RR, BMW's M series Superbike. This motorbike is the strongest product of the BMW Motortorad sport bike lineup. The basis is a BMW Superbike, especially if it's not the BMW S1000RR. From the design, there are not many changes, only the difference is in the graphic stripe, the addition of several accessories such as winglets, and moreover, BMW provides additional performance as a comparison with the S1000RR, which is the standard version. The development of the M on the BMW Superbike itself follows the success of the M series, which started at the end of 2018. The BMW M1000RR is the answer to the demands of the world public for high performance and a wrap like a racing motorbike, combined with the exclusivity and individuality of its future owner. The performance sector is the main focus, with greater power and torque than the S1000RR. Carbon materials are embedded in several components, plus the installation of winglet wings at the front also bears the responsibility of racing accents into the body of the BMW M1000RR. Some of the points of excellence of the BMW M1000RR are as follows. The maximum speed is 500 revolutions per minute, higher than the RR. Output is 156 kilowatts, 212 HP, at 14,500 revolutions per minute, and thus 4 kilowatts, 5.36 horsepower, more than the RR. Maximum torque of 113 Nm at 11,000 revolutions per minute. BMW shift cam technology to vary valve control timing and valve removal. Titanium valves, rocker arms that are slimmer and 6% lighter, and optimized camshafts. Very light and compact engine block with titanium connecting rods that are longer and 85 grams lighter than the Pankel for reduced friction force and reduced weight. Anti-perforated clutch new exhaust system that is 3,657 grams lighter with exhaust manifold, front silencer and rear silencer made of titanium. M winglet and high windscreen. Slower braking and earlier acceleration and more cornering stability thanks to aerodynamic downforce without a drop in maximum speed. M brakes for the first time at BMW Motortorad, MRR with maximum braking performance for the racetrack. M carbon wheels. Classy high-tech components for maximum performance on the racetrack and road. The M design and dynamic shape language bring out the best in racetrack performance. M package competition with M GPS lap trigger and activation code, milled parts package. M carbon package, silver, 220 grams lighter arm, DLC coated M endurance, and passenger package including tail hump cover. Owned exclusive accessories and equipment.